Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to download and install HP Smart Tank 675 drivers and configure Wi-Fi. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon, open browser, type here HP Smart Tank 675 drivers. Okay, click on HP Smart Tank 675 driver link. Click on this. Okay, scroll down, click on downloads, click on download setup file. File is extracting, please wait. Okay, welcome to HP Easy Start. Okay, this take a while. HP Easy Start, click on accept all. Make sure the printer is plug-in and power on. It can take a few minutes for the printer to fully power on. Okay, click on continue. Don't forget to connect the USB cable. This setup is work on USB cable. Okay, click on wireless network. Click on continue. Select here printer with a touch control panel. No, my printer is without touch. Okay, click on continue. Select here my printer support USB connection. Click on continue. Connecting using USB cable. Okay, please wait. In this printer driver installation is take a time. Okay, wireless network setup. This is my SSID and password. This is automatically detected. Click on continue. Saving Wi-Fi setting to your printer. Please wait. This step is take a time to connect Wi-Fi. Okay, printer is found. Okay, remove the USB cable. Select control panel to delete the disable USB printer. Okay, click on control panel. Scroll down printer and scanners. Delete offline printer. Okay, click on remove. Click on continue. There is a pin option to installation complete. Type here printer pin. Okay, after type pin, click on submit. Printer installation is complete. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you on next video.